In the last lecture, we have shown that you can start programming from everywhere, a book, a YouTube tutorial, a course, or a website. And we have shown you how you can use Kaggle to level up as a programmer. Today we'll discuss another wholesome website, freecodecamp.org. Let's navigate this. I'm calling it a wholesome website because it has the simplest interface. You have seen that Kaggle has so many tables and features, but in FreeCodeCamp, there's just a search bar on 9,000 plus tutorials and a list of certifications that you can take from here. And all of these are free. Now, if you want to search for a particular tutorial, let's say you want to learn a specific Python topic, you can just search it here. For example, nested for loop. It will take you to a new page of documentation. It will have detailed explanations with examples. Now, if you're a beginner, how should you learn from FreeCodeCamp effectively and in an organized way? I would suggest you take these courses in order: data analysis in Python, college algebra with Python, scientific computing with Python if you're from a STEM background, and machine learning with Python. After that, you should take on some challenges by taking these two courses. One, coding interview prep containing fine-tuned problems related with, coding interviews. And two, Project Euler, which contains several problems with different levels of difficulty. I'm showing you as an example how simple each course is. Each course contains several questions that you can answer from their tutorials. After that, there are some projects that you have to do by yourself or by using online resources, so you get some opportunity to get your hands dirty. When you finish this, you get the certification. Every project is this simple, so you'll learn in a very relaxed way without worrying where to find what. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.